Hey, Photo One, this is Mr. Wong. Alright, so this week's assignment. I saw last week's assignment with the lighting and the portraiture and not a lot of turn-ins. I believe there's about 60, 50 something of you guys. I got about 20. Not looking hot, but hey, try your best, guys. Get it in. But with that in mind, I'm still moving forward, and here we go. For this week, we're moving past a little. I saw some really good photos of portraiture and lighting last week, so good on you guys. I also saw a lot of good product photos. Someone was shooting really cool, like pictures of their fish and their dartboard, their siblings. So really good stuff. So here's where we're gonna go. So this week, a little more open-ended, but here's the structure. For all of you here who are doing the assignments, are thinking of going to Photo 2, or not even Photo 2, just entering contests in the future, I understand that for all the contests that you're going to enter, you're going to need to actually know how to A, shoot, B, come up with a title. A theme, if you will. Let me show an example. This photo I'm sharing with you right now is a student work. I'm pretty sure you guys see me show it hundreds of times in class. The title's called Why Can't I Remember? The theme the student shot is of her grandma that has dementia. It's a picture of grandma holding a picture of herself, and she has no idea what's going on there. It's a pre-set up scene, so, you know, she had to plan it out. But the title adds to the photo. It makes all of you go, oh, that's so sad. So, your job this week, either if you shot photos last week, recycle your photos, or shoot new ones. But I want you to come up with a title for all your photos. And titles that enhance your photos. Give it a so what. Not a, I title it this because I think it means this. No. Really think of your themes and give me a reason why those are your titles. Okay? So it's not a hard one this week. Either shoot 5 or rinse and repeat 5 photos, or if in your phone you have 5 photos that you think are super meaningful, come up with titles for it. Now, reason why we're doing this next year in Photo 2, contest is part of your job, and coming up with titles is part of it too. Okay? That's it. That's why we're doing it this week. If you want to reshoot, consider lighting. Consider what do you want to tell people. Okay? I know we're limited and structuredly can't go outside and shoot, but try. Okay? It doesn't matter right now what the subject matter might be, but this week is definitely shoot photos, 5 at minimum, but give them titles. So this one is, grandma that can't remember because of dementia. So the title's called Why Can't I Remember? Same student did another one year of herself. And, she gives you questions and concepts. Your title should be something that makes people wonder or adds to the story of your photo. Okay? This is this week's practice. And this week is April 13th. All right. I'm expecting it by Friday, 3 p.m. as always. Good luck, guys.